If you're considering MavSocial for your social media management and analytics needs, there are a few things you need to know before making the investment. In this video, we'll go through 12 key points about MavSocial that could help you decide if it's the right fit for you or if you should look elsewhere. First off, MavSocial offers a comprehensive suite of tools for managing your social media accounts. But how does it compare to competitors like Hootsuite or Sprout Social? The main advantage of MavSocial is its visual content calendar, which makes scheduling posts more intuitive. If you're used to platforms like Hootsuite, MavSocial's interface might feel more streamlined, especially for managing multiple accounts. Next thing, MavSocial provides solid analytics. You can track engagement, clicks, and overall performance. However, while the analytics are good, they aren't as in-depth as what you might get from platforms like Sprout Social or Buffer. If you need more granular data and insights, you might need to look at other solutions, but for most businesses, MavSocial does the job. The third thing to note is its built-in content library. It lets you store images, videos, and other assets for easy access when scheduling posts. This feature is a nice touch, especially compared to competitors that don't offer this level of media organization directly in their platform. The fourth thing is the collaboration feature. MavSocial lets teams work together, assign tasks, and approve content. This is great for larger teams, but the functionality here is basic compared to what you might see in tools like Sprout Social, which offers more advanced team collaboration features. Moving on, the fifth thing to know is that MavSocial supports ad campaigns. You can run Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn ads directly from the platform, which is a helpful feature. But if you're looking for more advanced targeting and in-depth campaign management, you might find other platforms like Ads Manager or even Buffer Ads to be more feature-rich. The sixth thing is its scheduling flexibility. MavSocial offers bulk scheduling, which can save a lot of time. However, if you're managing campaigns with very specific timing needs, you might want to explore platforms with more detailed scheduling options. Next thing, MavSocial integrates with Google Analytics. This is a great feature for tracking the ROI of your social media efforts. But if you're already using a highly integrated tool like Hootsuite, you might prefer its all-in-one reporting dashboard that combines more data sources seamlessly. The eighth thing to consider is MavSocial's pricing. It's on the more affordable side for small businesses, but as your needs grow, it can get pricier, especially when you start needing more advanced features or extra accounts. It's worth comparing pricing to other tools to make sure you're getting the best value for what you need. The ninth thing to mention is customer support. MavSocial offers 24/7 support via live chat, but the response times can vary. If you're used to the quicker support of platforms like Sprout Social or Buffer, MavSocial's response times may feel a bit slower. The 10th thing is the mobile app. MavSocial does have a mobile app, but it's not as feature-rich as others. For those who need full functionality on the go, you may find platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer to have a more refined mobile experience. The 11th thing is that MavSocial includes social listening tools, which allow you to monitor brand mentions, keywords, and competitors. However, it's not as comprehensive as what you'll find with a dedicated tool like BrandWatch or Sprout Social's advanced social listening capabilities. And the 12th thing to keep in mind is that MavSocial is ideal for businesses with a focus on visual content. It has great options for managing visuals across social platforms, but if your business focuses heavily on text-based content, other platforms may offer better text-focused analytics and management features. Overall, MavSocial is a solid option for social media management with a strong focus on visual content and scheduling. It's a great choice if you're looking for an affordable, straightforward solution. However, if you're looking for something with more in-depth analytics or advanced features, there might be better options out there. If you're ready to check out an alternative, be sure to try our recommended solution for free.